Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Mushkin Redline Notebook DDR5 SODIMM memory kit. Specifically, we're looking at the 32 gigabytes, 2x16 gigabytes, kit running at 4,800 MHz with a PC5-38400 rating and CL40 timings. This kit is designed for high-performance gaming laptops and promises to deliver a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. First impressions are solid. Mushkin is a well-known name in the memory game, and the Redline series is their performance line. This SODIMM kit is built for DDR5 compatible laptops operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V, which is great for maintaining battery life while still delivering impressive speeds. The 4,800 MHz speed is a significant jump over older DDR4 modules, and the 32 gigabytes capacity is ample for even the most demanding games and applications. The dual-channel configuration ensures optimal bandwidth, allowing your CPU and GPU to access data quickly and efficiently. Installation is straightforward, as with any SODIMM module. Simply locate the memory slots in your laptop, remove the old modules, if any, and insert the Mushkin Redline sticks. Make sure they click into place securely. In terms of performance, the difference is noticeable, especially in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, content creation, and, of course, gaming. Games load faster, multitasking is smoother, and overall system responsiveness is improved. The lower voltage also helps to keep temperatures in check, which is crucial in the confined space of a laptop. While the CL40 timings aren't the absolute tightest on the market, they're perfectly acceptable for a 4,800 MHz kit and strike a good balance between speed and latency. For most users, the benefits of the faster clock speed will outweigh any minor latency differences. Overall, the Mushkin Redline Notebook DDR5 SODIMM kit is a fantastic upgrade for any compatible gaming laptop. It offers a significant performance boost, ample capacity, and efficient power consumption. If you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop and improve its gaming or productivity performance, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.